have an amazing moment of worship together. Remain connected, join, and also don't forget, be the first person to give me a like on this platform. Remain connected. Let's have another moment of amazing worship together.
You love me through the parts I hide the most. DJ Jerryman, softly stay here. There are places deep in me I do not show, I do not let be seen. Hidden thoughts, unspoken fears, quiet battles through the years. I learned to smile, to play it safe, to hide the truth behind the face. I let them see the better side, but kept the broken parts inside. I thought if those were brought to light, they would run, they would not stay inside. And maybe you would turn away if you saw all I hide each day. But in the depths, I tried to conceal. I felt a love so strong, so real. You left me through the parts I hide the most, the places I don't let be known, the silent thoughts, the secret fears. You said I'm not alone. Ooh, you love me through the parts I hide the most, the things I'm scared to face, the pieces I tried to bury deep. You covered them with grace. I thought your love was for the scene, the polished life, the in-between. I thought you stayed where light remains, not in the dark or hidden pain. But you are drawn to what I hide. You step into the parts inside. You do not wait for me to show. You meet me where I fear to go. You love me through the parts I hide the most, the places I don't let be known, the silent thoughts, the secret fears. You said I'm not alone. You love me through the parts I hide the most, the things I'm scared to face, the pieces I tried to bury deep. You covered them with grace. DJ Jerryman, no hiding, he already knows. There was a moment I gave it up, the need to hide, the need to cover up. No more walls, no more disguise, no more running from what's inside. I opened doors I kept shut tight, let in the truth, let in the light. And in that space so raw, so deep, I felt a love begin to keep. Not turning back, not stepping away, but staying there enough to stay. You love me through the parts I hide the most, oh, the places I don't let be known, the silent thoughts, the secret fears. Hey, you said I'm not alone. You love me through the parts I hide the most, the worshiping, still uncovered. You love me through the parts I hide the most, the places I don't let me know, the silent thoughts, the secret fears. You said I'm not alone. You love me through the parts I hide the most, the things I'm scared to face, all the pieces I try to bury deep. You covered them with grace. You saw me, you knew me, you loved me, even in what I hide the most.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Kindly give me a like as you join. God bless you. It's a worship moment. Remain connected. Let us make it happening together at this time.
DJ Jerryman, suddenly I hear I had no music, I had no voice, I had no strength to make a choice. My heart was heavy, my soul was slow. I did not know where else to go. No loud worship, no lifted hands, just silent tears I could not stand. But in that moment, so still, so deep, you came so close and covered me. You met me without a sound. You found me where I fell down. No words, no song, no cry. Still you were standing by. Oh, you met me without a sound. Oh, you lifted me from the ground when I had nothing to give. You gave me reason to live. What I needed to say the right things, to earn your presence, to feel your wings. I thought my worship had to be strong, so when I was weak, I felt so wrong. But you are not moved by what I perform. You come to the broken, you come to the torn. Not just in shouting, not just in praise, but in the silence you choose to stay. You met me without a sound. Ooh, you found me where I fell down. No words, no song, no cry. Still you were standing by. Oh, you met me without a sound. Ooh, you lifted me from the ground when I had nothing to give. You gave me reason to live. DJ Jerryman, no no stage now, just presence. Oh, there was a night I could not sleep. Thoughts were loud, my heart was deep. No direction, no clear way, just endless questions in delay. I did not call you, I did not pray, but still I felt you anyway. A quiet peace, a gentle light. You held me close through the night. You met me without a sound. Oh, you found me where I fell down. No words, no song, no cry. Still you were standing by. You met me without a sound. Oh, you lifted me from the ground when I had nothing to give. You gave me a reason to live. Now I know you are not far. You meet me right wherever I am. In broken moments, in hidden places, you remain. You do not leave, you do not move. You stay with me, you see me through. If all I have is just this breath, I will trust you with what is left. DJ Jerryman, still worshiping, even here.